Goombara's XRLXRL Bee Venom Pain Relief and Bone Healing Cream. This product claims to be a total game changer for arthritis pain. We're talking reduced swelling, tissue repair, even bone healing, all using bee venom in a so-called clinically proven formula made in FDA-certified labs. Sounds like a natural miracle, right? But you know me, I don't just take bold claims at face value. Let's take a closer look and see if this thing really holds up. First up, I checked their About Us page. The site says they've been in business for 6 years. Sounds solid, except when I ran a quick domain lookup, it turns out the site was only registered in 2020. That's just about 4 years ago. So already, we've got a bit of a trust issue. If they're stretching the truth about how long they've been around, what else are they exaggerating? Now, the product itself is listed on Amazon, and it's currently rocking a 5-star rating. That sounds great, but hold on. It's based on just 3 reviews. And while those reviews are positive, 3 reviews don't exactly scream widespread success story. It's just not enough data to fully trust how effective the product really is. And here's a biggie. The cream claims it can do everything from eliminating arthritis pain to stimulating tissue regeneration. That's a lot. But there's no proof, no clinical studies linked, no medical trials, no research papers. And the site throws in the phrase, FDA-certified labs, which sounds official. But the truth is, the FDA doesn't certify cosmetic creams or pain relief balms like this, so that part is pretty misleading. Oh, and let's talk about the doctor endorsement on the site. You know, the kind that makes you feel like a medical professional is vouching for the product. I did a reverse image search and found that same exact doctor photo and quote on multiple unrelated websites. Yikes. That's a major red flag. Now, back to those couple of reviews on Amazon. One user said it really helped relieve knee and shoulder pain, enough that they're even avoiding surgery for now. Another user appreciated that it didn't have that strong medicinal smell and was hopeful about trying it. That's great, but again, it's just 2 people. Not quite enough to feel confident about the product's performance across the board. So, is Goombara's XRLXRL Bee Venom Cream actually legit? Well, it's a mixed bag. The product might work for some people, and a couple of reviews seem genuinely happy. But when you factor in the exaggerated claims, fake doctor photo, misleading FDA language, and the sketchy timeline on the company's background, it's hard to fully trust what they're selling. I'd say this is one of those proceed with caution situations. That's it for today's breakdown. If you've tried this product or any other bee venom cream, let me know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product checks.